Hi, I'm Katie. Welcome to our mini-series on foraging with children. Foraging has so many benefits for people who are worried about where they're going to get food, if something should happen to the grocery stores, to people who are wanting to get more nutrition in their diets. Usually where you're foraging food in the wild, or even in your own yard, the area has been undisturbed for some time, which means there's more nutrients in the soil that the plants are pulling up, and that means more nutrition for you. Foraging with children encourages them to reconnect with nature. They use all their five senses in exploring the world around them, and it really helps grow those areas in their mind as they're maturing and gives them a great edge.
I have a sword!
Okay, this is the plant we're going to be looking at right here. This is called a pineapple weed. Now, if you take a leaf off, smell it. Go.
Could I try smelling?
What does it smell like?
Smells like rotten apple. Smells like pineapple.
Okay, you closed the book where I had it.
I hear why it's called pineapple is because it smells like pineapple. There it is.
Flower.
Look
It
what
tastes
I
like a little fairy dessert.
Mommy, look what I found.
Eat it.
Look, Mommy, I found an orange and yellow one. Mama, see, Mommy? Look.
So pineapple weed usually is growing where nothing else is growing. And if you want to harvest it, maybe take about 10% of what's there, and that way it has enough to sustain itself to continue on next year. It'll usually die out in the summer with the heat, but you'll find it in the springtime most of the time, especially here in the Southwest.
So, parasite for me.
All right, let's see who can find a pineapple weed first. You gotta look down. It's close to the ground.
I found them.
You did! You were walking right through them. Look, sweetie.
Hey, look, they're green. Does green mean
Thank you.
ripe? Does green mean ripe?
Yellow.
Oh, look,
Ah. I dropped that one. Pineapple weed is also known as wild chamomile, and you can use it just like that. So when you harvest it, hang it upside down, let it dry, and then use it to make tea. It has the same exact calming effect.